Essential tips for your first Disney World adventure. Planning a trip to Walt Disney World, the most magical place on Earth, can be both thrilling and overwhelming for first-time visitors. With so much to see and do, it's essential to have a game plan in place to make the most of your vacation. To help navigate the enchanting world of Disney, we've compiled a comprehensive list of tips and tricks to ensure an unforgettable experience. Arrive early for rope drop. Maximize your Disney experience by arriving early for rope drop, allowing you to enter the park before the crowds and enjoy shorter wait times for popular attractions. Secure perfect fireworks spot. Plan ahead to secure the ideal viewing spot for Disney's breathtaking fireworks displays. Opt for locations with minimal obstruction and consider wind direction to avoid smoke blowing towards you. Stay hydrated. Beat the Florida heat by staying hydrated throughout your Disney adventure. Take advantage of complimentary cups of water available at quick service locations and bring along a refillable water bottle to stay refreshed on the go. Utilize single rider lines. Minimize wait times for attractions by utilizing single rider lines, perfect for solo travelers or those willing to split up from their party. Book dining reservations. Early. Ensure a memorable dining experience by booking reservations at popular Disney restaurants well in advance. Utilize the My Disney Experience app to browse dining options and secure reservations up to 60 days in advance. Take breaks from the heat. Escape the sun's rays and recharge by taking breaks in air-conditioned spaces or shaded areas throughout the parks. Explore Pandora, the world of Avatar. Immerse yourself in the otherworldly beauty of Pandora, featuring thrilling attractions like Avatar Flight of Passage and Na'vi River Journey. Experience nighttime entertainment. Extend your Disney adventure into the evening with captivating nighttime entertainment options such as fireworks spectaculars and nighttime shows. Embark on World Drinking Tour at Epcot. Indulge in a culinary journey around the world by sampling signature drinks from each country in Epcot's World Showcase. Witness Disney's Kiss. Good night. Conclude your magical day at Magic Kingdom by experiencing Disney's Kiss. Good night, a heartwarming farewell message displayed on Cinderella Castle. Plan early character breakfast. Start your day with a delightful character breakfast at Magic Kingdom, offering an opportunity to meet beloved Disney characters and enjoy a delicious meal. Chat with Imagineers. Gain insight into the creation and design of your favorite attractions by participating in a lunch experience with Disney Imagineers. Explore Animal Kingdom Lodge. Immerse yourself in the sights and sounds of the African savanna at Animal Kingdom Lodge, where you can view exotic wildlife from viewing areas and observation decks. Opt for Kids Menu. Stretch your dining budget by opting for items from the Kids Menu, which often offer smaller portions at a lower price point. Utilize free transportation. Navigate the Disney World Resort area effortlessly by taking advantage of complimentary transportation options such as monorails, boats, buses, and the Disney Skyliner. Purchase tickets online. Save time and skip the lines by purchasing your Disney World tickets online from authorized discount ticket providers. Explore Disney Springs. Discover a world of shopping, dining, and entertainment at Disney Springs, offering a diverse array of experiences for guests of all ages. Take advantage of Genie plus Grace Period. Make the most of your Lightning Lane reservations by arriving slightly early or within the designated grace period. Listen to underwater sounds. Delight in a hidden gem at the Art of Animation Resort by listening to underwater sounds at the pool, adding an extra touch of magic to your resort experience. Ride Kilimanjaro Safari at sunset. Experience the African savanna come alive during the golden hour by embarking on the Kilimanjaro Safari at sunset, when animals are most active. Search for hidden Mickeys. Keep your eyes peeled for hidden Mickey Mouse symbols scattered throughout the Disney World Resort area, adding an element of fun to your exploration. Stay cool. Beat the heat with cooling essentials such as sunscreen, hats, sunglasses, and lightweight clothing. Seek out air-conditioned attractions and indoor shows to escape the sun's rays. Inform guest services of any special occasions you're celebrating during your visit for a magical surprise or celebration. Spend a day at a Disney water park. Cool off from the Florida sun and enjoy a day of aquatic fun at one of Disney's water parks, Blizzard Beach, or Typhoon Lagoon. Experience an Epcot festival. Immerse yourself in the culinary delights and cultural celebrations of Epcot's seasonal festivals, featuring international cuisine, cooking demonstrations, and live entertainment. Utilize free package delivery. Stay at a Disney World Resort hotel and enjoy free package delivery of your park purchases to your room, eliminating the need to carry them around the parks. Take advantage of the Genie Plus Lightning Lane grace period. Arrive early or arrive slightly late to your Genie Plus Lightning Lane reservations for added flexibility. Have a world drinking tour at Epcot. Embark on a culinary adventure around the world by sampling drinks from various countries in Epcot's World Showcase. In conclusion, embarking on your first Disney World adventure is an exhilarating experience filled with endless possibilities. By incorporating these tips and tricks into your itinerary, you'll unlock the magic of Disney and create memories to last a lifetime. So pack your bags, don your Mickey ears, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime in the enchanting world of Walt Disney World.